the stuff I bought to start my YouTube channel from Amazon. Z Fold 4 fold phone, so I have to buy a bigger connector. I can wire my phone out. Then I got the wireless mic, so I can have good sound quality. I saw one of the YouTubers use that. Also got an extra mic cord, so when I do get my camera, I can put the mic on top of the tripod and still be able to hook my phone up and charge that as well. Then this tripod, I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna open it in a minute. You can do the camera, my phone. I can do my phone or the iPad, the camera with this tripod because my phone is so big. Like I said, I have the Galaxy Z Fold 4 that opens up to like a small iPad. That's why I wanted this one. That's my Amazon unboxing today. And I also have my ribbon hardware, cabinet hardware, because I'm going to put handles on my cabinets. That's going to come in a separate blog. So, okay, that's how it's looking. Let's add the phone in the video and let's see how it works. Okay guys, that was an epic fail because my phone is so heavy and this came with the GoPro, so I thought I can get away with using this instead of buying another one. But look like I'm gonna have to buy another one because it's too heavy. It just did the split. Just like it. So I'm gonna have to go back on Amazon and order a better handheld one and leave this one for the GoPro. I was trying to take a cheaper route, but we're getting ready for this YouTube video, guys. So I want to show everybody exactly what I was buying. I didn't want to spend a lot of money because everybody said don't spend a lot of money in the beginning. But me, I like to invest so I don't have to do it later. We're going to make it do what it do. Okay guys, let's unbox the tripod that I bought from Amazon. This is, I guess for my phone because the phone is so big. That's how that's looking right there. I guess this would be for the camera. I guess I can hook like a microphone or something right there. Looking pretty good so far, guys. And then it comes with the remote control. Let's see, let's open it up. We take pictures with it. I hope I can start the video too with it. Really wasn't that expensive on Amazon either. I want to say this one cost, I want to say about $20 or a little bit more, but I'll leave the link in the bottom. I think it has a little case with it. That's really nice, so if I'm traveling, I can take this with me. Directions right there. Okay, not bad, guys. Not bad at all. Good little investment. As the channel goes and we grow, we gotta get some better equipment, but this is to start me out so I can start blogging my home for the interior design and sit with the queue. And we're gonna do interior design because I'm redoing my house. It's an older house, but we're redoing it. Also, we're gonna sip a little bit on some new liquors, wine from us by us. Should be a very, very good channel. Okay, I figured out how to make it taller. It's got it snapped like that. And you unsnap it, I guess, to see how tall you want it. And I guess you just keep unsnapping to make it taller. So it can actually be, you know, real tall so you can stand it on the floor. I just wanted to share that back with y'all that I figured that part out. Okay guys, I have it extended out. The one I bought that says big for my phone. So that fits perfect on there. And this also fits my phone as well. If you have a Z Fold 4, you want to try to buy this type of tripod. So you can be able to open your phone fully and use it that way. So I'm very pleased with it. No complaints. Just for I have to move my phone over a little bit because it blocks the camera. I just slide it over and it works perfect. But this is the whole tripod. Pretty sturdy. I got the camera thing on there, so I gotta hook this up to my phone so I can be able to do video shots on it. And I can press that to start recording. So this is the beginning. Put that down right there so you guys can see the name of it when you order it on Amazon. Talk to you guys later.